Every mechanical system needs arteries, the connections that keep vital liquids and gases running through the system, providing energy and removing impurities. But if just one part fails, it can affect the performance of the whole system and even shut it down completely. ICR are global experts in delivering cutting-edge solutions for critical asset and infrastructure inspection, repair, preservation and maintenance. Our comprehensive and versatile array of technically led solutions can be deployed with minimal interruption to your business. Our monitoring services allow us to locate issues, even when they're difficult to reach. And our market-leading repair products can be customized to your specific requirements and deployed quickly by our highly experienced teams. Or we can train your local technicians to carry out repairs, allowing you to reduce unplanned shutdowns or avoid them completely, reducing your CO2 in the process. We specialize in working on the most demanding projects in the most challenging environments globally. From oil and gas to nuclear cooling systems, from renewable energy to utilities and infrastructure, and the defense sector. Wherever you are, whatever your challenge, we investigate, create, repair, so that your business continues to run reliably. ICR, integrity through ingenuity.